We all have our own story. A few years ago, I grew up in a small village with my mom and dad and two older brothers. As the years passed, I started dreaming about traveling the world and sharing my music with people all over the planet. And while I was working hard to achieve my goals and chase my dreams, somewhere in a village close to mine, there was a boy named Rick, working hard to achieve his dreams. Some may call him crazy, others may call him brave. All I can say is that Rick showed me that limits, like fears, are often an illusion. We all have our own story. This is Rick's story.
Fireflies and color sky, twinkles in our eyes, twinkles in our eyes. Hold my hand and walk me through the night. Twinkles in our eyes, we're brave enough to fly.
If you work hard and believe, the universe will always help you to catch your dreams.